Why do we fall ill? And are there any doubts from your textbooks?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
fine. So, if no doubts are there, then we can proceed with another chapter. Okay. Is there anything left from that?
No, ma'am.
Fine. So we covered almost each and everything from it. And just refer to your textbook. If you have any doubts, if anything is left, we will finish it right now. Nothing as such?
Ma'am, about the vaccine and that
Okay, fine. Vaccination is left.
antibiotics.
Yes. So let's see about because nowadays what we are doing is we have lots of drugs, lots of chemicals to treat the diseases. Okay, so we did in disease that how it is first of all causes of the disease. We did how it is getting spread. Okay, then we did how it should be diagnosed. Okay, then what should be done to stop it and all that. Okay, so that part is done. So let's see something about vaccination and antibiotics. Okay. Now see, first of all, uh, what do you mean by antibiotics? First of all, we will see that and how the vaccinations are prepared. Because nowadays you must be hearing this word a lot about the vaccination. So see this, that what happens with the antibiotics is this one. Okay. So if you study about the modern medical science, okay, and uh, in that almost all the infections, basically if they are bacterial infection, there may be fungal infection, there may be viral infections, okay, or there are many other type of infections too, but these some are major: bacterial, fungal, viral. Okay, so what happened with the antibiotic is that the one which the drug, the antibiotic one, the one which kill the bacteria, they are called bactericidal. Okay, that means cidal means to kill. Cidal means to kill. So to kill bacteria, the antibiotic is bactericidal. Okay, fine. then fungus is fungicidal. Are you getting me what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so to kill the bacteria, to specify, basically all of them will be classified as antibiotics only. Okay, antibiotics means against the life. You can understand that. Bio, that means life. Anti, against the life. All these are living creatures. Okay, so you are acting against them. You are using a drug against them, so all these are classified as antibiotics. If you have to precise it, then if it kills bacteria, then bactericidal. If it is fungus, then fungicidal. And if the infection is viral, then virucidal is a very rare word which should not be used directly. But virucides are some words like this can be utilized. Okay, it is not a general practice, but you can read this word in some of the books. Okay, now do understand, I think you must have heard about the penicillin.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that was the first antibiotic was discovered. And how it was discovered, it was just an accident for a scientist, and he just got lucky. That's why he is a father of antibiotics. Okay, so what happened is that then you must have this is the penicillin. Okay, so what happened with this penicillin, it is nothing but a one type of mold. Okay, so what do you mean by mold? It is just like fungus.
Ma'am, fungi.
Penicillin. Yes, fungus. Okay, so fungus. What happened that when that particular scientist, okay, he was doing experiment on some of the bacteria actually. Okay, so he was growing the bacteria on one plate. It is able to grow the bacteria on a plate. So he was doing this experiment, and the bacteria were grown on this plate, and it should be covered with the lid so that no other organism should enter in this particular plate. But what happened that accidentally he forgot to close this particular plate. Okay, and this plate was just remained open. So what from, as we know that fungus is a very general organism, it is present in our house, it is present almost everywhere. If it is moist damp places, the fungus is present. If it is if your clothes are little bit remains moist for all the time, then also fungus develops on your bread, on your the roti. If you keep for 2 to 3 days, then also fungus can develop. So it's a very general organism. So what happened that when these bacteria were growing on this plate, suddenly the fungus came, and because the lid was not there, so fungus just placed on this particular plate. Okay, so let's see from the top. If we see this plate from the top, then what happened that if this is the plate and everywhere the bacteria is growing, but in somewhere the fungus spores came and they just fell on it. Okay, so what happened that after a overnight duration, almost 12 to 14 hours, when the scientist came, then what he saw that wherever these fungus was present, at that much area surrounding it, that means if we go for this much diameter, okay, Okay, at these much zones, the growth of bacteria was absent. The bacteria was there, it was present over here. Okay, here it was present, the growth of bacteria can be seen, but where the fungus was there, no growth of bacteria was observed. It was empty, it was clean. Okay, so then he got the idea, that means there are some organisms, they can act against the other organism. Okay, so he studied it, and he found that this particular fungus is producing some type of chemical which is resisting the growth of the bacteria. Are you understanding what which type of statement I am using?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. They were antibiotics.
Yes. So he got that conclusion. Then, because this was the just an accident. So what he did from the next day onwards, he did this. He purposefully placed the fungus on the plates, and for a month he studied this, and he came to know that this particular fungus is producing some type of chemical around it, and that chemical is not allowing the bacteria to come over there, or it doesn't allow the growth of the bacteria surrounding that portion. Okay, so this particular chemical whatever is produced is called antibiotic. Okay, so because it acts against the life, that is why it is anti. Okay, so it kills the bacteria, or it doesn't allows the growth of the bacteria. That is why when you suffer from the throat infection, it's, if you see the time before corona, when you were having a common cold or flu or throat infection, the doctor, if it is very much severe, then doctor used to give you some of the antibiotics. You must have heard about all these names: streptomycin, mycin,
Yes,
something like that.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Azithromycin. All these are the medicines you are getting, and these because they are all produced by these types of organisms. Streptomycin is produced by streptomyces type of fungus. So these are the antibiotics you are obtaining nowadays. So that is how the antibiotics were discovered, and then further studies of on antibiotics suggested that one particular antibiotic will act for only bacteria. Okay, particular group of bacteria. That is why that particular type of antibiotic should be named as bactericidal or classified as bactericidal. Is it clear to you? If it kills to fungus, some antibiotics kills only fungus, then it should be fungicidal. Okay, so you have, sometimes you must have seen people suffer from the skin infections, and it is due to fungus. Sometimes they have an infection on the scalp, that is under the hairs, and they get the hair loss, and dandruff like layer is established on their head. That is all due to the growth of fungus, and at that time doctor provides you some type of lotions or oils or something like that, and that all those lotions and everything is made up of antibiotics only. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to apply that antibiotic in that particular infected region. Okay, and because due to the presence of that antibiotic, the growth of their particular organism, infecting organism, will stop. Okay, it will not grow further. So for later on it was discovered like this, that suppose, now see, some skin diseases are due to bacteria, some skin diseases are due to fungus. So that is why you have to go to a doctor. You cannot apply a same lotion for both of them. Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because
Yes,
they are very
ma'am.
much particular in their action. They are very much particular the way they have to act. They will not, if they are meant to kill bacteria, then they will kill only bacteria. If they are meant to kill fungus, then they will only kill fungus. They will not give response to the other organism. Okay, so that is what the antibiotics is. And you can, if you read or if you refer some other books, it is not given in your textbook, but if you are referring biology from other books, then you will read this, that antibiotics with broad spectrum, okay, or narrow, because these words, okay, uh, if you are a good observer, yeah, and if you are having the habit to read the things on the medicines, or if you anything new comes in front of you, then you can read this on the tubes, on the packets of medicine, that this particular antibiotic is broad spectrum or narrow spectrum. Broad spectrum means it can kill large group of bacteria or large group of organism. Okay, and if it is narrow, then it is very much precise with the small group of organism. Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is what, all these things you can see daily in your house. If you have a medical kit and if you have some of the antibiotics with you, you just can read the instructions, details, and you can come across this words on that. And if you because nowadays it's very much easy to surf and to google everything. If you have a name of an antibiotic, just type it and you will get the details, that if it is a broad spectrum or a narrow spectrum, or on what it is working. It is working on bacteria or fungus or virus. It will give you the details. Okay, so that is what the antibiotics is. And uh, see, when we talk about, because as you are studying biology, you should understand that that these bacteria which is infecting you, or if they are causing infection, they are also very smart. They are not the dumb organism. So what is happening, that if you have an infection in a throat, okay, and it is because of due to one particular bacteria. Suppose if you have a X type of bacteria, I'm just taking a random example, that if you have a X type of bacteria, bacterial infection in your throat, and what happens with this, that suppose if you use your doctor gave you the antibiotic, and it is of, I think you must be knowing about this, that 300 mg, suppose this is the strength of that particular
Yes, ma'am.
medicine. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so at the first time, if it is given to you, then definitely within the first dose only you will be feeling the difference, and you will feel that you are, it's almost cured. Okay, but if it is continued for n number of times, okay, that means if you stop whenever you are have, some people are having this tendency that they have a regular throat infection. Okay, and so what they do, they don't visit to the doctor, and they whenever they feel the infection, they will just take the same antibiotic which was being prescribed previously. So definitely for the second time also it will be cured, third time it may take 1 or 2 days, but it will be cured. Okay, fourth time it may take a week, uh, fifth time it may take a month. But if it is continued for the n number of times, then what happens that this particular bacteria is also get habituated or immune by this antibiotic. Okay, that means after some time this bacteria also have develops the resistance or develops the immune system to resist this antibiotic. So after some time this antibiotic may not work on you, or they may not work on that particular infection. Then what doctor will do, it will definitely increase the dose. That will also be continued for a year. Then also then after it will also will stop. And then you have to understand that infection is already being immune by that particular antibiotic. Now this antibiotic will not work, you have to change your medicine. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
so that is why avoid these types of medicine, because more you will take, more it will be the destroying the immune system of your body, because it is actually what it is doing, it is uh, helping the infection to develop its habit. Okay, so without prescription, without consulting your doctor, you should not go for any of the medicine for uh, more than 3 to 4 times. I think you should go to the doctor and ask for the new prescription. Understood this? Antibiotics?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's talk about then vaccination. This is also a very good topic to understand, and in future if you are going to be a scientist or a researcher, then this is a very wide field for you, where always keeps its door open for the new minds. Okay, so what do you mean by vaccination is? So you must have heard about smallpox, polio. Okay, the kids are vaccinated. Have you seen it?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
because
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
still not 18 years old, then your mother must have saved your vaccination card. It must be there. That means from the day you got the birth and till now, whatever vaccines are being given to you, that is mentioned in that particular chart. Or if you have a younger kids, infants at your home, then you must have seen that they have the vaccination chart. And I think for 1 year, the for 1 or another month, they are provided with many of the vaccines like chickenpox, smallpox, measles, nowadays typhoid also, hepatitis. Have you heard about this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so basically the vaccine and polio is something. It is almost on Sundays. It is almost given to many of the kids. It is a very general vaccine which can be, you can see and hoardings and you can read over there. So let's see what is prepared and how the vaccine is made. So see, vaccination is something, it must be given to you when no drugs are there, no chemicals are there to kill that particular organism, first of all. Okay, no particular type of medicines are there to treat it completely. then the vaccination comes in picture, and it should be prepared so that for a lifetime the particular individual is being saved from the disease. Now let's consider that how, if we talk about one disease, let's take up what we say, polio. Okay, let's consider this one because it's very general. Okay, or any xyz. You can take any of the vaccine, well, one disease, and let's see that, because you must have heard that polio is being caused by virus.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, polio is being, same thing, chicken pox is also caused by virus. So let's see, many of these vaccinating diseases are caused by virus only. That's why vaccines are being prepared. Now what we do, there are many type of vaccines are being prepared. We will go for major one, general one first. First type that we have to see that if you have a virus with you of a particular disease, okay, suppose let's take the disease X, okay, and it is caused by virus. Now what happens that once this virus is entering in your system, okay, if it is entering in your system, then definitely you are not happy with it. Okay, so once it is entering, then your system is first of all, our body is very highly programmed system. Okay, the way you treat your laptop or the way you talk about your computers, that this much gigabyte motherboard is there, and I don't know the technical words much, but when you say something, when you talk about technology, then you motherboard and all these are very important. So our natural system, our human body is something which is very highly programmed. Okay, and our body never allows anything which is foreign to it. Okay, that means unknown. Okay, the human body does not allow anything which is unknown to it. If something enters inside it, it will just do one thing, to kill. Okay, kill that particular foreign particle. Okay, it is not allowed because it is not mine. It is entering, it is invading my territory, so don't allow it, just kill it. So we have a system that is called immune system for it. Okay, the way we have in our country defense system, army, navy and air force, same thing is there in our body, that is immune system. You must have read in the in lower classes that WBC, soldiers of your body.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there are many other things are also with along with the WBC. So that makes the immune system. So now what happens? Yeah, as we know that this particular virus is not the part of our body. It is not something which lives in our body regularly. It is something called foreign, unknown to our body. So what happens whenever it enters, the body just uh, uh, trigger this immune system, inform this immune system that something is have entered in inside us, please start get activated. So this system will suddenly activate and it will kill that particular organism. This is what the simple process is followed in our body. Now what happens sometimes that because these are very notorious organism, and they are very naughty, they are very undisciplined. Okay, so what we have to do with this, that suppose if it is entering okay, X type of virus, and immune system is activated. Okay, it activates the immune system. I will write IS for immune system. Is it will be okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if this X virus enters, it will activate the immune system in our body. Okay, and our body will start preparing the soldiers for it. Okay, definitely WBC must be there. And if you have read the blood reports, in that platelets and all that must have, you have seen that
Yes, ma'am.
lymphocytes,
Yes, ma'am.
all of them will get activated in the blood, and they will be ready with their swords, knives, guns, and everything. They will bring everything to kill this particular virus. But what happens if they can't kill it? Okay, so they should have some type of programming for that. So let's see, first of all, what they will do, these soldiers, if they are not able to kill it directly, so they will go, okay, suppose let me draw something like, if this is, then these are the soldiers. Okay, I will give this sign to them. These are the soldiers. They will look at this particular virus. Okay, we will look at this particular virus. Okay, how does it looks? Fine. Now we have identified it, because definitely criminal has to be identified first of all. Okay, so they will reach to the crime scene. They will identify this particular criminal. Okay, fine. So what we have to do now? We want more soldiers, because this particular criminal is very dangerous. So if local police cannot handle it, that means WBC cannot handle it. Now bring the CBI, CRPF, BSF. Okay, so we require army for it. So what this particular system will do, that it will produce something which is very much similar to this criminal. I think because you see nowadays lot of series and movies on defense system, then if you want to kill the criminal, you have to think like criminal. So that is what our body does. Okay, so it will prepare many of the soldiers. It will copy, it will replicate, and huge number of soldiers are prepared by it. Okay, so once this is done, then these soldiers will slowly and hide, by hiding, will reach to this particular virus. And as this virus is very happy right now, because no one can touch him because of its structure. Okay, so what these soldiers will do, they will capture this particular virus from the particular angles, from each and every side. Now this particular virus is being captured, and once it is captured from so they have different levels of the armies. Some soldiers will try to capture it, and some will come with their cutters. They will come and they will bite this virus from everywhere, and it will get deteriorated. Okay, once this is destroyed, its structure is destroyed, it will not be able to give any type of disease to our body. Understood? Have you
Yes, ma'am.
understood this
Yes,
system?
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So now you have understood this. So it is easy to understand about vaccination. So what our scientists do when they discover the vaccines, what they have to activate our immune system from a particular virus. So when our immune system will get activated only if the virus is introduced in our body, otherwise it will not do any type of work. Okay, so That means what these scientists do, that they take this type of virus and they just heat kill it. Heat kill means either they boil or provide a steam and something like that, so that this organism is dead. Okay, but its body will remain like this only. Okay, body will not get deteriorated. Its structure will remain like this. Only thing happened was is that it just got killed. That means if it is living, then it has to be dead body. Okay, here it is living, and it should be provided heat, steam or dry heat. Some there are different chemicals are also, if you introduce that. So what you have to do is collect the virus from the in wherever the infection is there. Suppose you have a patient who is already is infected with it, and his body is not coping up, so lot of viruses you can obtain from his body. Now collect all the virus, kill them. Okay, once they are killed, now these has to be collected in the test tubes. Okay, fill them in the injections, and now these dead bodies are injected in healthy human in which infection is not there. Okay, so dead body of the virus has to be injected, okay, in healthy human. Now what happens in healthy human, that because we know in our body the system will work same, because the dead body of the virus has been entered, no matter it is dead or living. Okay, because it is dead, it cannot do the harm in our body. Definitely if it is dead, it cannot do the harm. But because it is a foreign, our immune system will get activated. It will prepare some soldiers for it, and once the soldiers are prepared, they will kill this dead body also. Understood? That means they will destroy this dead body also. Have you understood this?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am, but can viruses be killed totally?
Yes, they can be. How they are killed? That is actually the kill word is not be used in medical terms. It is, I am just using it to make you understand, because you are in class 9th and for you the medical terms are little bit difficult. Okay, so actually it is not kill, it is something else. They work on the structure of the virus and all that. There are many other things. You must have seen in ads that virus is shown, and they have something ball like structures like tentacles coming out of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there are lot many things. I am just using this word to kill, just to make you understand. Then that means, because living
Okay.
virus is very much harmful to our body. So living virus is definitely going to cause the disease in our body, but dead cannot cause the disease. So what the scientists do, they just make this virus dead, and they inject in the healthy human. That is what the vaccination is. You must have heard on 15 August that our honorable prime minister told us that 3 types of vaccines are being practiced.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you heard the speech and about coronavirus, he
Yes, ma'am. He gave a speech.
yeah, on coronavirus he told that soon the vaccination will be out, because 3 types of vaccines are on the trial, on the practice. Okay, so 3 types means one type is this. That means they have scientists have made this coronavirus dead, and then these dead bodies of the coronavirus will be introduced in the healthy human, And once these healthy humans got this particular dead virus, then also our immune system will activate. It will make soldiers, and it will just destroy this dead body also. They will not allow even the dead body to live inside our body. Okay, so now what happens? See, our body is very I told you that it is very highly programmed system, that once these soldiers have done their work, that means these blue type of soldiers has captured it, red type of soldiers came and just teared this particular virus in different parts, okay, in small parts that will be degenerated in our body soon. Okay, then what happens, that this soldiers and blue and red soldiers, they will uh, plan a strategy, and then they will make, because they will not be surviving for a larger duration, so they will plan a strategy, and for our body they will prepare a soldier. Okay, see, it will have the memory of this structure. Okay, so these are called memory soldiers. So what these soldiers will do, they will just plan a strategy, and they will prepare a special force, special officers, okay, or special type of soldiers, so that it can memorize the structure of a virus, and it remains in our body for a lifetime. Okay, so once these memory soldiers are prepared, they will be available for the lifetime. So once these soldiers are for lifetime, so that means whenever in your life these particular virus will enter, that at that time you don't have to go for the whole process. These soldiers will go and start killing it suddenly.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood? So that is what the vaccination has to be has to work. So when you inject a healthy human, okay, then with the dead body, so the whole system will be done, and then our body will create a memory soldiers, and that is why your body will be having these for a lifetime, so no coronavirus can kill you in your life. Understood this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
one type of vaccination in which you are injecting a virus in our body. Okay, so that is what the polio is. Okay, when you give the polio drops to the kids, it is not something you are providing a medicine. They are just the dead virus of polio are being introduced, and once the dead polio virus are entering inside the kid's body, then the immune system of the kids get activated, and it prepares the soldiers for a lifetime. So whenever the living polio virus infects the kid, but still it will not do anything, because our body have a memory soldiers forever. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and another method is, it's you will understand in a very short process, that sometimes some viruses are not successfully killed. Okay, so let me take this word, that if a particular virus is there and it cannot be killed successfully, successful killing is not done, suppose that is not done, so what we have to do, that in labs scientists provide uh, take this particular virus in a test tube, okay, and artificially they provide a environment like immune system, artificial system is being provided to it. And through this, by studying the structure and by studying the chemical nature, everything, the scientists prepare a particular type of antibodies through it. These are called antibodies. Okay, so particular type of antibodies will be prepared from it, and these antibodies should be taken up in injections, and then it should be injected in humans. Okay, so some of the vaccines are like this, that you are provided with the antibodies directly. That means memory soldiers are given to you uh, for that. And in that case, you must have heard about that some of the disease requires vaccination in every 5 years or every 1 year. Have you heard it?
Yes, ma'am.
Just
Yes,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
don't have to
Yes,
yes, if you must have heard it. And if you have kids around your house, just see their vaccination card. In that some of the vaccines in with have the names, and there must be written in the bracket that it should be provided in every 3 years, in every 5 years, because the antibodies, which are these antibodies, these are called antibodies. Okay, so anti means against, act against one particular body, that's why antibodies. Okay, so because they are prepared artificially, okay, they are not prepared by our body naturally. So if they are being prepared artificially, they have a certain period of lifetime. Okay, lifetime is not always lifetime, is for certain duration only. Okay, that so some can survive for 3 years, some have antibodies which can survive for 5 years, 10 years, or some have only the duration only for the 1 year. So that vaccination is to be repeated in that particular stipulated time. Have you understood this type of vaccination?
that means we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
make living organisms through studying their chemical processes and
No, no,
structure.
these are not living, better. These are not living. They are just the cellular structures which are being prepared artificially. They are not living in nature. Because if they are living, then definitely they will divide, they will multiply, everything will be done. But that is not done artificially. That's why they have a stipulated life for them, certain duration. After that, they will get degenerated. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the different types of vaccination being provided. Either you have to introduce a virus or bacteria, or any a type of organism on which you are researching. Okay, so if it is fungus, if it is virus, or if it is bacteria, that particular organism has to be killed, basically heat killed, and then it should be introduced in our body so that it cannot do much harm. Okay, it should not do any type of harm in our body, and but it should activate the immune system. It should activate the immune system to develop the soldiers in our body, so that whatever being prepared naturally in our body, it remains for the lifetime. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you
Yes,
understood
ma'am.
the why the scientists are working on the coronavirus vaccine? Why it is taking too much of time?
Yes, ma'am. Because once it is used, it is not required to be used again.
Yes, very good. Because the thing is, trials are done on humans, and it is very much difficult. If something goes wrong, then the person whom you are doing that particular trial, it may give you some severe deadly results. Okay, so that is why it is very difficult task for the scientist You must have seen in some of the movies that some scientists try the medicines on themselves also if they are preparing. Okay, so they go, that is what these people do, and they are so much involved in that particular research that they do such things also. Okay, so this is how the coronavirus vaccine is also being prepared, or must be on the trials nowadays. And once it is being prepared either in this form or on this form, if it will be in this form, then you will be, when the vaccination will be out, with that instruction will also come that after 3 years you have to take this particular vaccine again. Okay, and uh, if it is in this form, then I hope it will be for a whole life. Once you, that just like polio, once you receive it, for the whole life you are safe. Is it clear to you now?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes,
apart
yes.
from injecting
Yes,
the
ma'am.
same organism in that form, we have also heard of some cases like similar looking organisms are injected, like in the case of smallpox.
Yes, there may be the possibility. That is why it is very risky in nature. Okay, because first of all, you are working on everything which is microscopic. You cannot see any of them with the naked eye. Okay, that first of all, this is the very difficult thing to do. Now, a similar looking organism, what does that mean? That because I told you that this virus is very notorious. Okay, it is not that easy to handle. It is not that easy process to do. So, what does it do actually, this virus? Sometimes when you are studying it, suppose you are studying on this type of organism, and it is causing a particular type of disease, and when your studies is still under continuation, then what happens? Suddenly it develops some new type of feature on it. Okay, sometimes it may change its structure like this. There may be the possibility. That is why similar looking organism are injected, that is being said. Okay, so you don't know what these organisms can do. They are very very hard to hold, hard to control, because they can change their structure, they can develop some new features also. And you are thinking that you have studied this thoroughly, but once you are in having this in injection, and you are injecting it to some healthy person, till in that time also there may be the possibility that it can change its form. So that is why you must have read in the newspaper that similar looking organism are being injected. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there may be the possible, because all of them are microscopic there. Okay, but even the viruses are much smaller than the bacteria. Bacteria are quite big than them, but viruses are even much more smaller than the bacteria. So it is sometimes, some of the viruses are so small, they are just the one type of protein, nothing else, and this will act as a virus. Okay, it will a simple protein just with the having one RNA or DNA. Nothing else will be seen. No body structure, no type of identification can be done. Just simple RNA or DNA only can act as a virus. That is what the severity about virus is. Do you understand it right now?
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
So that is what the vaccination is. So till here, this chapter is done. Now you can ask me anything if you have the doubts.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, could you please repeat that some artificial system once again?
this one.
Yes, ma'am.
It is prepared in lab, beta. Whatever your body is, soldiers, your body is preparing naturally, that has to be done in labs artificially. And artificially, if they are prepared, they have a certain life for the certain stipulated duration of their life. Understood this?
Ma'am,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
our body does not oppose these antibodies to enter, means they are also not a part of our body.
Yes, very good question. I was waiting for this type of query. Okay, so definitely these can also act as a foreign body because it is coming from outside. Our body may not accept it. There may be the possibility, and that is why the trials are done. That is why the vaccination is under the trials, under the experiment. That is what the scientists wait to see the results, that whatever they have prepared, either it is being accepted by our body or not. And when these are prepared, what these scientists do, they design it in a way that it takes the form just like the cell of our body, so that it cannot be considered as a foreign in nature by our system. There are lot of stages for it. So once, suppose once you have prepared it and you have to inject it, then you must see the results that it is not accepted by our body, it is considered as foreign, body have destroyed it. That there may be the possibility at next time when it is being prepared, then the shape is being changed from sharp to blunt, ends can be done, or something like that has to be changed so that it can take a shape just like the cells in our body. Okay, so that they cannot be considered as a foreign particles. That is why the trials are taking so much of time. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is not always it.
Yes,
Understand it,
ma'am.
beta. That is why it is named as research. Okay, why it is? It is not. It's not like a hitting a bullseye at once. Okay, you have to go for 100 type of method, and out of 100, there may be the possibility only one work, or there may be the possibility only 0.01 success percent of success you are obtaining. So that is what the complexity of the research is. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else?
Ma'am, all this is something like befooling the immune system.
Pardon, just repeat your question.
Ma'am, all this is something that we are making a fool of the immune system. Like it cannot distinguish between a
Yes,
live
sometimes
organism.
you have to fool the system for it. Sometimes you have to fool your body. You have to give a cheat to them, so that our body's immune system can have uh, develop that type of capacity to kill the actual viruses. We have to do such things. You have to you once you will be studying further, if you come in 11th and 12th and further in medical sciences, that many times we are fooling our system. Many times. It's not in that case. Many times this has happened. You are then you must have heard about kidney transplant. Have you heard about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So new kidney is being introduced from someone who is closely related to that particular patient. Okay, so definitely doctor asked the siblings, brother and sisters, to donate their kidneys, or either mother, or because mother and father have a old age, they will definitely ask the siblings to do such type of things. But if uh, that also you must have heard that that particular kidney is being rejected, it is not some infections have occurred after the transplant. It is because our system is not accepting that particular organ. Okay, so at that time also uh, there is a drug called immune suppressors. Okay, these types of drugs are provided to the body when the transplanting is done. Okay, so that when once the particular organ is being established, it is being organized in a patient body, and it starts working normally. Till then, these types of drugs are given so that immune system just remains silent for that much period of time. And once it starts functioning, and it is accepted naturally, then the immunosuppressors are being stopped. And sometimes these drugs have to be taken for a lifetime so that that particular organ can work inside the patient body. Okay, there are particular drugs for it. So this is not even in the vaccine. We do all these
Ma'am, will
things.
this completely suppress the immune system, ma'am, the whole
No,
immune
no.
system?
No, not whole system. But for a uh, particular organ, it has to be suppressed. But it do have some of the side effects, that that particular patient develops some other type of uh, ailments or other type of diseases in their body. There may be the possibility also. Okay, so you can cheat your system definitely, but it requires a lot of effort for doing it, because if you do this, then your body suffers from some other thing definitely.
Okay,
Understand?
ma'am.
Okay, so all these things you will be studying once you are coming for higher biology. Then definitely you are going to study this. Even with the blood groups, this is happening. Even this, when the baby is delivered from mother's body, this is happening, because even the baby for a mother is considered as a foreign sometimes. That you will understand when you study about blood groups and all that. Okay, so the foreign particle can be anything in your body. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. So just go through your chapters thoroughly from your textbook, and anything, any of the word or any of the statement, sentence which we have not discussed or you don't understand by reading it. Okay, read from the first word to last word. Mark this very carefully, that if you have to be very much thorough with your subject, and if you want to uh, obtain the highest score, first step is read from the first to last word from your book. Okay, then only you will be knowing what is inside is written and what is being asked in the examination. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just
Yes, ma'am.
just go through the chapter
Yes, ma'am.
thoroughly, and then if you have queries, then definitely they are most welcome. If it's a small one, if it is a personal one, you can ask me on the message also, on my personal number that you can obtain from that group. And if you have the
Ma'am, there is a small topic of distinction between disease-free and healthy.
that is a very general, I think, para that is being written. I don't know. I don't. When we studied about disease and healthy and that disease free and healthy, you will once you will go through it. I think it will be very much clear to you. I don't think you need to understand it something very differently. Okay, just go through it. Still, you
All
if you
right,
can't
ma'am.
understand, then ask me. That is why
Okay,
I
ma'am.
said, I don't teach the heading wise the way it is given in your textbook. I teach differently. You have to read your text and then ask me. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
fine.
ma'am.
So we will be doing next chapter, that is diversity in living organism.
Ma'am, this chapter was omitted, na?
Is it so?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Why?
Chapter is being deleted.
ma'am. From this
Yes,
syllabus.
ma'am, from the CBSE syllabus.
Okay, from a whole chapter is omitted for a whole year only. It is not being
Ma'am, for
Yes, ma'am, for the whole year it is omitted from the
For this
CBSE
year.
syllabus. For
ma'am, but
this
at
year, ma'am.
the last, please explain it once because teachers are saying it will be important to connect to the
Yes, ma'am,
higher
for the next
classes.
classes.
okay. Then yeah, I think just wait for a while for this. Definitely, this chapter is very important because further you have lot many things related to this. Okay. Then you have another natural resources and improvement in food resources. These, what about these two chapters?
Ma'am, these are included, I think.
Ma'am, these are there.
These are there, and you have exams in September, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in that this fundamental unit of life is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tissue is there,
Ma'am, don't.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, tissue is there.
Yes.
and yeah, then this one, one thing which we have studied with the diseases.
Why do we fall ill?
Yes.
Yes,
Is there?
Yes, ma'am, it is also included.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then any other chapter is also there out of these natural resource and improvement?
Ma'am,
No,
they are
ma'am.
not got the syllabus yet.
Ma'am,
Okay.
from the book, there is no other chapter apart from it. There are these natural resources and improvement and one diversity that has been removed. So it will be explained at last.
Okay, then fine. We will also go for natural resources and improvement in food resources. Then, if it is being omitted diversity, then definitely we will also take it at the end because this is very important chapter for you to study.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because this one will give you the highlights for if you go for 11th biology, definitely this chapter is something will provide a base for you to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's finish then natural resource and improvement in food resource first, then we will go for this one. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, which one you want first, natural or food resources?
Yes, ma'am, natural resources.
All of you
Natural.
want natural?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So we will do in the next class natural resources then. Okay. So leave it here, this one, diversity.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Fine.
ma'am.
So you have a school now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
and
you,
bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank
Have
you,
a
ma'am.
very
Bye,
nice day,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a
Yes,
nice
bye,
day,
beta.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.